Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today and staying safe. On our channel today, we will not be having a cooking video. Instead, I'll be talking about the beautiful country, my birth country of Pakistan. Pakistan, a beautiful country I left 23 years ago. I come back often, and every time I come, I enjoy my trip. I enjoy the music, the tasty food in the restaurants, and the amazing street food.
अच्छा 2 रबड़ी लगा देना, स्पेयर फुल बना रखना, ठीक है। अभी छिपा दो, बाल पर डालो, वीडियो देखनी है। ये ला रहा है वो भी पहले कर रहा है।
Walking in the markets, and seeing how the dyer dyes clothes.
लेते हो डाई के जी
To how quick they are in giving customers fabric for clothes. My most favorite part about Pakistan is when we travel and see the beauty that Pakistan has to offer. So on this Independence Day, remember all those who fought for making Pakistan independent, those who are working to make the Naya Pakistan, and be thankful that you are living in a country that has so much beauty, many cultures and languages. So here is a special drawing in honor of Pakistan's Independence Day. हमारी तरफ से आप सबको जश्न-ए-आज़ादी मुबारक।